Hi, imagine Mike is an entrepreneur and he comes to me that Jaideep, my business has been doing great so far, but now I'm concerned about artificial intelligence. Someone has recommended your name. So what is your advice? On the other hand, John is a guy who is living his 9 to 5 life, a wonderful life, totally work-life balance, and enjoying his 5 days work week, play baseball and weekend. So Mikey represent a typical entrepreneur. What is the situation of a typical entrepreneur in 2025? And John represent typical professionals who are, having a good life, but artificial intelligence is changing their life. So if you're an entrepreneur, you can connect yourself with Mikey. If you are a working professional, you can connect yourself with John. And we will go in this journey that how 2025 will impact both of them. So, welcome into the next lecture of Rethink AI. Here, we will focus on how AI is transforming industries and the future of work in 2025 specifically. Okay, so let's dive into this presentation and let's go on this journey where we have both entrepreneur and professionals. So let's go with Mikey because Mikey came to us and Mikey wants some help while John is doing good with his life. So what it means, artificial intelligence means in Mikey's life. As an entrepreneur, Mikey has different concerns like sales management, marketing, campaign, IT, data protection, operation, HR, and Mikey is wondering about how he can manage all these things well in 2025 to keep the balance or to keep the business growing. So AI is reshaping industries and redefining job roles, and it will redefine for both entrepreneurs and working employees. Then some job will be automated while others will be augmented by AI. So Mikey have to see from both the perspective where he has to automate and where he has to augment AI. Okay, so department wise, let's see what department will be most affected and how can entrepreneurs and professionals both can prepare for it. Okay, so this is, let's see the difference between automation and augmentation first. Automation is when AI replaces repetitive and manual tasks, while augmentation is when AI enhance human productivity and decision making. So when I was researching this thing, that what is automation and what is augmentation and what it means, right? Automation, we obviously know that you replace some repetitive task with the help of artificial intelligence. But what is augmentation? So I have two stats to represent, and these are from team Rethink AI. So one is content writing. Earlier, what took 4 hours, now I can complete the same piece of article in less than 30 minutes with the augmentation of artificial intelligence. Earlier, you do manual research, you find the data, you read books, you browse books, and then you go to those particular website or papers, and then you study them. Okay, it takes hours and hours for to prepare all those research, and then you start writing. Now you can write the same piece of article in 30 minutes probably, because you don't need to look for every particular individual link. You can, with the help of artificial intelligence, particularly perplexity AI, you can get those links directly. You can get those information directly with the relevant link. Just click on the information and you will be redirected to that website directly. It saves a lot of time. Okay, and then graphics designing. In graphic designing, now you need 75% less time due to augmentation of artificial intelligence. And specifically, this was done as a test in terms of market designing for a marketing campaign. Okay, so I have shown you both the things, whether you are preparing content for your website or you are preparing a lecture or okay, and then you are preparing maybe marketing campaign, designing some social media posts, whatever it may be. With the augmentation of artificial intelligence, it reduce your wastage of time. It improves your efficiency and it saves you, your cost factor as well. So AI has the potential, right? in both automation and augmentation. So what I am going to recommend to Mikey. So job being revolutionized by AI in 2025. One is customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants handle 90% of customer interactions now. Okay, and the efficiency rate is very high. Most of the companies have started integrating artificial intelligence in their customer care department. Retail and e-commerce, AI powers recommendation engines, self-checkouts, and inventory automation. It's not only the possibility, but it's happening now. Finance and accounting, AI automates fraud detection, investment analysis, and financial reporting. Manufacturing, AI-driven robotics and predictive maintenance reduce downtime and boost efficiency. Software development. So these are the five domains which are directly being impacted by AI or revolutionized by AI in 2025. So what is my first recommendation for Mikey? Mikey is the guy, is the traditional entrepreneur who comes to me in the revolutionized age of artificial intelligence. So my first recommendation to Mikey is Mikey should find the loopholes that he wishes to cover. Okay, so here is Mikey sitting and he's working to identify all the loopholes in different departments which he wishes to cover. Next, AI in customer service. So let's talk about now we will explain all these five departments one by one. So what it means customer service for Mikey. Mikey should provide five-star customer care service to its customer. Okay, AI chatbot and virtual assistants reduced customer waiting time and improve customer satisfaction. Now it's possible to get provide a customer service of five-star rating, and that's highly possible. Next, AI automates FAQs, complaints, and support tickets. Yes, with the help of AI, you can do both these things. So, what are the new emerging roles in customer care segment? AI chatbot trainers and AI powered customer experience specialist. Okay, so what should Mikey should integrate AI in customer service to provide immediate response to customers without waiting time and with a five-star rating. So now Mikey can have AI chatbot trainer and AI powered customer experience specialist in his company, in his entrepreneurship business, so that he improves customer engagement and experience. This is the first recommendation to Mikey. Now let's look into finance and accounting. Finance fraud, spamming, hacking, or mismanagement of data. These are happening regularly, and this literally cause a lot of pain for entrepreneurs like Mikey. So AI can help with fraud detection, financial spamming, and data protection. Okay, AI model optimize investment portfolios and automate bookkeeping. So first to focus for Mikey should be improve his entire system where he can minimize minimize the spamming or data theft cases and improve finance safety, or can improve the fraud detection, and then he can use in investment purposes, bookkeeping, or improving the entire portfolio. New role: AI risk analyst and financial strategist using AI driven insights. AI risk analyst and financial strategist using AI driven insights. They can do it. Mikey should hire these two kind of people, one analyst and other financial strategist. Okay. Next, Mikey should automate. So what should Mikey do now? Mikey should automate AI for financial fraud detection and financial data protection. Okay, this is for traditional entrepreneurs in terms of finance and accounting. And AI and manufacturing. Manufacturing is really, really hard. Okay, manufacturing is really hard. Operational costs are very high. Efficiency can be very low. And you have seen those patterns when after releasing the product, companies have to recall it. Okay, it means a huge financial loss. Okay, so what is happening in terms of AI in manufacturing? AI powered robots increase efficiency and reduce operational cost. Predictive maintenance prevents breakdowns. Okay, so what are the new roles in terms of AI? AI robotics engineers and factory automation specialist. So now Mikey should have new hiring where either he is going to train his existing employees or he will have new hiring of robotic engineers and automation specialist. So how he can integrate AI? First, predictive maintenance. Okay, he can use AI for predictive maintenance, demand forecasting, inventory management, real-time monitoring, designing or error correction. So these are the places where Mikey can apply AI, Mikey can integrate artificial intelligence. And Mikey should officially start from, instead of integrating all at once, start from one. Whether it's predictive maintenance, demand forecasting, inventory management, error correction, designing, real-time monitoring. My recommendation is Mikey should start from inventory management first. If he has not done yet, he should do inventory management with the help of artificial intelligence. Next, jobs that AI won't replace anytime soon. Creative roles like writers, artists, and designers still require human imagination. In 2025, you can have more and more intervention of artificial intelligence, but you can't replace writers, artists, designer completely. Okay, because you see this presentation, right? Team members are involved at every particular step. Every particular step. Okay, this is the power of human imagination. Next, human-centered jobs. Human-centered jobs like psychologists, counselors, social workers depend on emotional intelligence, and they will stay here. Mikey can have, AI in customer care segment, but still he need seniors, advisors who will look into that data. What it means for the company, what are the sentiments of the companies, what are their emotions of the customers about different products and services. Next, leadership and strategy. AI won't replace CEOs, entrepreneurs, and decision makers. As a leader in 2025, you will continue. Okay, as decision maker, as entrepreneur, as CEO. AI specialists, the expert building, training, and monitoring AI will always be in demand. Okay, those experts who are working in the field of AI as builders, trainers, and doing monitoring, they will stay here. So what is the next step for Mikey? Mikey should keep the key people at the key post. Okay. Uh, Mike should build a better understanding with the board members. Okay, why we are making one change, why we are making this change, we are making five changes, or we are bringing this person here, and we are, reshifting this particular person to this particular department. Mike should have a better understanding with the board members. As an entrepreneur, as a CEO, he should have a balance with the changes while keeping board members informed. And next, Mikey should use AI in predicting customer behavior, sentiment analysis, and market forecast, etc. So, how to how we can make Mike future proof for 2025? Mikey should focus on creativity and emotional intelligence. AI lacks human intuition as of now. When it comes to data management, AI can do it. But when it comes to human emotions, human intelligence, creativity, building relation with the board members, Mikey should work one-on-one with them. Next, stay tech savvy. Mikey should, keep up with the new AI trends in his industry. And you also should keep up with the new trends in your industry. And in brass AI collaboration, Mikey should use AI as a tool, not as a competitor. So Mikey should officially help his employees get AI training. It will help in easy integration of artificial intelligence. So in this case, this company can provide in-house training, workshop, or seminars. All three are good option. In-house training, you have your one team member is really good with artificial intelligence. You can provide in-house training. You can call someone from outside where you can provide you can have seminars for your employees, or you can conduct 1 day workshop, 2 days workshop. Okay. So what other entrepreneurs can learn from Mikey? Mikey is smart. Yeah, Mikey is dashing cool guy. Mikey take decision in advance. So what other entrepreneurs can learn from Mikey? AI workforce planning. Identify how AI can optimize different department in an organization. Okay. Next, AI powered business insights. Leverage AI for real-time analytics and decision making. If you are an entrepreneur, these are the recommendations specifically for you. Identify how AI can optimize different department in your organization. Leverage AI for real-time analytics and decision making. Next, prepare professionals to adapt to AI-based role through custom training programs. These things are recommended for Mikey. You are an entrepreneur. You should also follow the path of Mikey. Okay, Mike is smart. Mike is predicting the 2025 in advance and taking the decision. Market is all about predicting in advance and applying while others are not doing it. And if you do that, you will always be ahead of your competition. So in the end, here is our cool guy, John. So what are the recommendations for John? AI is reshaping careers. We have already seen that, but adaptation is the key. So there is opportunity for John as well. What is secret tip? Those who learn to work with AI will stay ahead in the job market throughout the 2025. Okay, so here is my advice for John. John is doing great in his career, playing baseball and everything. John should start practicing AI, 15 to 20 minutes a day. You can have a very busy schedule, but it will not take much time for you to learn artificial intelligence for 15-20 minutes a day. If you are watching, I always keep these videos in such a format that you can learn while you are you are going to office, or after your lunchtime, or when you are coming back from office, so that this video can become essential part of your journey. If you are an entrepreneur, please take the decision like Mikey. If you are a professional, be John and start learning in advance. So, in that, another lecture comes to an end. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I'm the founder director of ReThynk AI, researcher, keynote speaker, and author. This presentation has been prepared by ReThynk AI. And most importantly, if you like the new way of teaching where we have Mikey and John here, then share with us, share your thoughts. And we have taken this decision to make artificial intelligence learning very easy for you. This lecture has been designed by Vista Libreta. I will wait for your opinion in the comment section. Share your thoughts, your ideas with us, and I will see you soon.